Education is the only way children from streets and slums can break their ceiling, the glass ceiling. My name is Shukla Bose. I'm the founder and CEO of Parikrama Humanity Foundation, which is an NGO that runs high quality schools and college for street, slum and orphan children. The idea of wanting to do this kind of work began when after many years of corporate life, I began to sort of get very fascinated with obituaries, and I actually began to write my own obituary. And I realized that although I had won many awards, I was considered one of those very few women CEOs in the country at that time, I really didn't have much to write in my obituary. That really triggered this interest to do something more meaningful. The vision of Parikrama is to ensure that we bring up a generation of poor children who do not need to think poorly, who actually begin to think that they are as equal as anybody. It addresses the 360-degree needs of a child. So it's 3 meals a day, total health care, working with the families and giving them high quality English medium education. That's what we call the circle of life. Parikrama is full of stories of transformation, many stories of how desperate situation was before Parikrama schools began, and how there's kind of a light at the end of the tunnel for many, many lives that we are addressing today.
My name is Falita. I'm currently doing my BA LLB. I joined Parikrama in 2003 from the day it started. While in Parikrama, I got the opportunity to do many things, and later when I was in 11th standard, I got a chance to go to the Global Youth Leadership Summit held in San Diego, USA. There, basically, again, I got to meet people from different countries, so that was again a great experience, and that helped me become a completely different individual.
My name is Dhruv Nagarkati. I'm currently a volunteer at Parikrama. The reason why I chose Parikrama is the work that you actually do actually makes an impact on children's lives, and you see that on a day-to-day basis. I think that's extremely fulfilling from a volunteer's perspective.
I used to stand near the bus stop just opposite Parikrama to just drop my children off, and I saw very happy children playing. And as we were talking with my husband and me, we were talking to our children, they said that this can't be a school because school is supposed to be very serious, and here you have very happy children. And that made me just enter the gates of Parikrama to find out what exactly is it. And I started as a volunteer and have really enjoyed every bit of it.
My role as, the head of academic administration and the principal of the Parikrama Junior College, I've had the fortune of seeing children that came in at age 5, 6, 7 maybe, and now passing out from various colleges, and it has been the most rewarding experience.
I would not have been a meritorious student if it wasn't for Parikrama. So, I mean, in any way, it obviously ends up in Parikrama helping me to be what I am.
Changing mindsets is a huge challenge, but also for us to be sustainable, we need financial support, and this constantly having to tell the story, get people to support us is a challenge. My message to young people who are well placed in jobs is you can do something for society now. You do not need to either get older or to have accumulated wealth to be able to contribute to ensure that this divide between the poor and rich does not actually expand any further. Our children are our responsibilities till they become responsible and start taking care of society around them.